Now, if you're watching this video, you're most likely on social media to some capacity. But before you bring it into your company's marketing mix, ask yourself, does your ideal customer socialize and engage? If the answer is yes, here are some ways that you can use it to help grow your customers. 1. Build community and engagement. Social media has proven to be a major disruptor in marketing by building a following that can rally around a cause or a brand. Next, create original content. You'll want others to share your posts with your messaging and branding behind it. And what's very important is to engage. Respond to likes, comments, follows, and start a conversation. And last, leverage social advertising platforms. This can help you collect information that can further build your profile for success. Now I know you want to learn more, so go ahead, click the link in the description of this video.